Changing the font. Choose the Home tab. Click the down arrow next to the font box. A list of fonts appears. As you scroll down the list of fonts, Excel provides a preview of the font in the cell you selected. Find and click Times New Roman in the font box. Note: if Times New Roman is your default font, click another font. Excel changes the font in the selected cells. Changing the font size. Select cell B2. Choose the Home tab. Click the down arrow next to the font size box. A list of font sizes appears. As you scroll up or down the list of font sizes, Excel provides a preview of the font size in the cell you selected. Click 26. Excel changes the font size in cell B2 to 26. Changing the font color. Select cells B2 to E3. Choose the Home tab. Click the down arrow next to the font color button. Click on the color white. Your font color changes to white. Or if you want, you can change it to black, gray, red, green, violet, blue, or orange. But I want it this way, so let's